Hi boss, this short cabin, middle lift. One unit has already done. Big rain, and big rain here, and this one just come out from the workshop. Yeah, everybody is quite busy now, so it's only me to show you. See, new tire, new rim, new battery, new air reservoir, hydraulic oil tank, air cleaner, the engine, 371 horsepower. There's no hydraulic jack here, is inside. Okay, and this is a cabin. Let me get down this umbrella. Oh my god, let's get down this umbrella. Let's check inside the cabin. Already refurbished, new one, new roof, new floor, new seat, new bed. I'm sorry, no bed. No bed. And let's check. Ring. This thing not changed yet. We'll change very soon to 371. Let's check in front, behind. What is behind the cover? Yes, same as our standard. New water tank, intercooler, and the radiator of the AC refurbished. Okay, let's check the other side. This side is better. Engine 371 horsepower. New silencer, new fuel tank. The driver side. Okay, new seat, new floor. Let me check if I can pass. New tires here. Let me try to take some pictures. And then stabilizer. Everything complete. Too much water there. Okay, inside. Okay, this is the first one.